As a gardening enthusiast, you always want your lawn to be in a top-notch condition. Are you tired of dealing with unruly lawn edges, messy bed borders, and uneven paths? Then we introduce you to Sachsenband, the all-inclusive solution to all your landscaping woes. We provide top-of-the-line lawn edges, bed borders, and path borders meticulously crafted from high-quality aluminium and Cortenstahl. We introduce you to the ultimate solution for lawn edging, path construction, and green roofs, Limaflex. To install it, measure the garden beds and borders, lay rope or twine along the desired edges to outline your desired shape. Assemble the anchors and the connectors with the edge. With the measurements in place, securely slide the connectors and the anchors into the edge. Whether you're edging a flower bed, creating a path, or defining a lawn, simply dig a trench, following the outline of Limaflex. Now, trim the edging to fit using the appropriate tools. Join the strips of edging. Connect multiple strips of Limaflex edging seamlessly, ensuring a uniform appearance. Depending on the intended use, you may use some concrete to fix the anchors. Finally, backfill the trench with soil or other appropriate materials, providing stability and support. The unique feature of Limaflex is that you can assemble the anchors at any position and distance from each other, typically ranging from approximately 30 cm 12 inches to 100 cm 40 inches. Corners and pre-banded full circles are available. Moreover, the 55 mm and 120 mm height edging is easy to bend, allowing you to create curves right at the building site, giving your design freedom.